All right, here we go, guys. Here we go in 3, 2, and 1. You might be asking, why am I late? Why am I late? Well, I was watching Mr. Tom Crown. Right now, they are watching the Jerome Powell testifies. And there's so many people that are dumb. Like, you have no idea how dumb these people are. It's like they haven't watched the news or anything. Work from home? Well, it depends. Me personally, good. But for the government, bad. See, Tom needs to put for the government. The government, they need to work in the office. Me personally, I like working from home. But, so yeah, that's the reason I'm late. I got caught up in this. So many people, my gosh. I don't even want to talk about it. Blood pressure goes up. Like, they don't even know how to pronounce Doge. And then Doge has been in the news for how long now? And one of the guys is like, yes, and this new thing, Dodge, when it's like, seriously, have you not watched any news? Any? Regarding to what you're even complaining about. And there was a lot of them where they had other agendas and not so much, asking Chair Powell a question, but they were just wanting to have that platform to say their, beliefs or whatever. It's all messed up. And anyway, let me get off of that. Let's see here. We do have the Kabasi letter saying the Fed's worst nightmare got even worse. Got even worse, guys. The CPI inflation just officially jumped plus 0.5 in 1 month. The largest increase since August 2023. The core CPI inflation was expected to fall to 3.1%. Instead, it rose to 3.3%. What does this mean? Let's explain. Basically, we don't get our stuff together, it's going to be a very, if you thought this bull run was rough, it's going to get a little bit rough. Well, not even the bull run, the bull market. We haven't seen the bull run yet. We had a taste of it last year in March. But, man, this is some pretty bad stuff. We got Sin in the house. What's up, Sin? Appreciate you, man, for being here. Greatly appreciate it. Right now, of course, we do have Tom Crown, and he's doing his stream. Pretty much everyone's over there, but I'm not sure how much longer he's going to be. He's been on it for 2 hours. I've been watching for 2 hours. Not sure how much longer he'll be on, but we'll see how this stream goes. We'll see how it goes. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, issues, definitely let me know. If you have any questions, especially regarding crypto, how to trade, let me know. We've been having a lot of really great questions lately. And what I love doing is I love giving my thought process when it comes to experience, because anybody can read a website. I show you what actually, works in the moment. But here, this was the hottest inflation report we have seen since 2023. Headline, CPI inflation was expected to remain flat at 2.9%, while core CPI inflation was expected to fall to 3.1%. Instead, inflation posted a large jump and hit 6+ months high. So this is the actual, this was what forecasted, this is the previous, and all of these just way more than expected, than forecasted. Come on, guys, let's get together. Now, granted, with the new administration and everything else, pretty much people expect it to get worse before it gets better. I mean, it has to. Can't just automatically fix in one day. There has to be processes. And then, of course, everybody's in shock that certain things are happening. Just giving you a heads up on that. See here, headline, CPI rose. Oh, we just read that. well, another thing about it, it's just showing, instead of the numbers, it's showing the graph. 5 days ago, we posted this chart showing surging inflation expectations. The U.S. consumer 12-month inflation expectations were up 4.3%, the highest since November 2023. This marks a 1.7% point jump over the last 3 months, the largest since February 2020. So we're expecting surge of inflation. And right now they're kind of talking about all this stuff. But all right, so let's see what this means to the crypto bubbles. Let's go to the crypto bubbles. This is a great overview of how the market is doing. For the daily, not looking bad. And right when the inflation numbers came out, right when Powell started talking, whoa, excuse me, very little sleep, guys. The market didn't really react as bad as I thought it was going to. But this is on the daily. I hate when there's tickers with only one letter. I really do. See here. Now we have the hourly. Hourly is looking good. You know, most of these took a slight pullback before now coming up. And once again, if you have any coins you want me to do, let me know. We do have, let's see here, let's go here. So this is when they start, let's see, I believe this is when we got the report. So it came down into our bounce zone. It did bounce up, which is good, but we want to see not just a come down and jump up really quick. We want to see it coming down and then eventually start working its way up, because that's much stronger than just this. Man, I'm gonna probably cut this stream short. Take a nap. We do have a nice bounce that is occurring, and currently we're above one of our anchored PLCs, approaching our second anchored PLC. I would not be surprised if we find resistance here to come down. Let's go ahead and do this. So I wouldn't be surprised if we find resistance here, come down. I'd like to see about here, you know, probably break below the anchored VWAP to here, then start coming up. I'm wondering if I have a bias on being bullish. I'm wondering that. Well, I'm actually bullish until I become bearish. And if the price would have broken here and closed, well, then I would have been drawing it down. Now, overall, in my opinion, it doesn't look strong. And we've mentioned this for a while now. This price action doesn't look strong. And then here is when we had our first glimpse of hope of possible, and of course, YouTube. Man, if I had $1 for every time YouTube did this to me, then $1. Thanks, YouTube. Bearish, then it's kind of slowing down, and then now we're starting to possibly be bullish, higher high, and then higher high, and then just dump. Now we're back to square one. Is this gonna, this is like indecision. If it breaks up, hopefully bullish. If it breaks down, not bullish. And I just realized this is a bear flag. And we get the pole, we get the zone, bear flag puts us down here, but it broke up. So much for the bear flag. This is a really good bear flag. Look at that. We have our pole, and then we have our this. This is like a textbook bear flag. And then it's going up. So much for the pattern. But it was bearish, and then now this was our first sign of hope, and then now we're trying again. Let's see what happens. See here, Dylan says, "Hey Joe, how you doing, man? I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I'm like really sleepy." And I was watching the Jerome Powell. Watching Jerome Powell. I don't know where he's at right now. Here we go. I was watching Tom Crown. Tom Crown's got everybody in here right now. But yeah, it's the CPI data. It's so surprising how dumb these people are. I mean, I am not informed. The amount of information that I have from, let's just say 0 to 100, I have maybe 3%. And that's because I listen to Piper and I'm able to watch certain things on the internet. And I know, like, we'll say 5%. I know 5%. I know more about what's going on with the USAID than these people that wear ties. Like, there was a few of them that were actually standing up for USAID. Well, with, you know, the president, you know, taking away the USAID and doing whatever he's doing, blah, blah. It's like, do you not know where the money's been going? It's been all over the news. It's been all over Twitter. That's for sure. Like, we have literally been getting robbed blind, literally. And this guy's sticking up for the USAID. And then there was somebody else who referred to Doge as Dodge. It's like, yes, and for this Dodge, when they're investigating, blah, it's like, are you kidding? Like, oh wait, how much information are they able to get? You know, bank accounts and blah blah. Like, why are you worried, man? Why are you worried? And again, pronouncing Doge as Dodge doesn't make any sense. Do you not know what's going on in the world? Like, literally. And then, you know, of course, on X, let's go to X. Man, Alex Jones is killing it. See, is there real life? Chairman. But yeah, 50 million in condoms. A lot of condoms. But it's crazy. Yeah, I really don't watch this guy. I mean, I'll see him every once in a while. So here's his girlfriend, I guess. Says, if you've heard from Ben in the last 24 hours, please DM me. He left the house yesterday and hasn't been back. Everyone is worried. Here was the cover. So 3 hours ago, S&P futures fall over 1%. CPI inflation in the U.S. rises to high, blah, blah, blah. So, and Alex Jones see here. USAID, the swamp is deep. One of the activist judges blocking Trump's agenda, Judge John Bates, is married to the founder of USAID. Wow, I didn't know that. Carol Reese is a Democrat lawyer who started Hope for Children in Ethiopia, a longtime USAID grant recipient. Wow. There needs to be an immediate wave of judicial impeachments, not just one. I was wondering about that, as far as like, how can a judge block the president? And wow, this is big news right here. That's crazy. All right, let's see here. Yeah, this is funny. Now, this is very interesting. Do you support Doge investigating Elizabeth Warren's a multi-million-dollar net worth when she only makes $200,000 annually? This is crazy. Multi-million dollars, and all she gets is $200,000 a year. That's pretty insane. All right, guys, let's see here. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues, charts? I'm gonna give you all about 2 minutes, maybe 3, to type anything in. If not, I'm gonna end the show just because, you know, I'm not sure if everybody's watching Tom Crown, but that's where I'm gonna be. He's way more interesting than me. I don't know where I put it. Oh, was it the same one? No, it's not the same one. Where is Mr. Tom Crown? I don't know. Maybe here? Where did he go? I don't know where he went. But anyway, that's where I'm going to be going. So we'll give you all about 2 minutes. 2 minutes. And then I'll be over there. Unless y'all have questions. If y'all have questions, then we'll see. You know. Hey, we got Crypto Coin Mindset in the house. What's up? We got Alexander G. What's going on, guys? But yeah, if y'all have any questions, then we'll stay here. If there's no questions, comments, concerns, issues, coins, then we'll just take off. No biggie. I'll go back to watching Mr. Tom Crown. And maybe even taking a nap. I don't even know. Now, I prefer questions, but if not, no biggie. Think that I'm one of the only one watching, my friend. All the rest watching Tom Crown. Yeah, also, yeah. Yeah, so let's go over there. Hey, let's see if we can rate it. And then that'd be funny. I was like, Joe, thanks for the 3 people raid. So hold on, guys. Hold on. Let's see if we can rate it real quick. 1 second. So let's go to customize. Let's go to redirect. Let's go to search. Let's go to my buddy Tom Crown. Love the dude. Dude is amazing. Tom Crown. There we go. So let's all go to Tom Crown in 3, 2, 1. We'll see you over there. Thank you so much. Love you guys so much. And let's make this money. All right, guys. Take care. We'll see you in the next one. See ya.